Welcome to Sab Kuch channel. Learn everything to enjoy all things.
The turkey is a large bird in the genus Meleagris, native to North America. There are two extant turkey species, the wild turkey, Meleagris gallopavo, of eastern and central North America, and the ocellated turkey, Meleagris ocellata, of the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. Males of both turkey species have a distinctive fleshy wattle, called a snood, that hangs from the top of the beak. They are among the largest birds in their ranges. As with many large ground-feeding birds, order Galliformes, the male is bigger and much more colorful than the female. Turkeys were likely first domesticated in pre-Columbian Mexico, where they held a cultural and symbolic importance. The classical Nahuatl word for the turkey, hueclotl, guajolote in Spanish, is still used in modern Mexico, in addition to the general term pavo. Mayan aristocrats and priests appear to have had a special connection to ocellated turkeys, with ideograms of those birds appearing in Mayan manuscripts. Spanish chroniclers, including Bernal Díaz del Castillo and Father Bernardino de Sahagun, describe the multitude of food, both raw fruits and vegetables as well as prepared dishes, that were offered in the vast markets, tianguis, of Tenochtitlan, noting there were tamales made of turkeys, iguanas, chocolate, vegetables, fruits and more. Turkeys were first exported to Europe via Spain around 1519, where they gained immediate popularity among the aristocratic classes. Turkeys arrived in England in 1541. From there, English settlers brought turkeys to North America during the 17th century. Turkey bird as food. The species Meleagris gallopavo is eaten by humans. They were first domesticated by the indigenous people of Mexico from at least 800 BC onwards. By 200 BC, the indigenous people of what is today the American Southwest had domesticated turkeys. Though the theory that they were introduced from Mexico was once influential, modern studies suggest that the turkeys of the Southwest were domesticated independently from those in Mexico. Turkeys were used both as a food source and for their feathers and bones, which were used in both practical and cultural contexts. Compared to wild turkeys, domestic turkeys are selectively bred to grow larger in size for their meat. Turkey meat, commonly referred to as just turkey, is the meat from turkeys, typically domesticated turkeys, but also wild turkeys. It is a popular poultry dish, especially in North America and the United Kingdom, where it is traditionally consumed as part of culturally significant events such as Thanksgiving and Christmas respectively, as well as in standard cuisine.
Like, subscribe and share.